Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how we can change our profile picture in Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on that three lines. Next, you have to click on the profile picture. There you will see various options of your avatar. You can choose any of them. For instance, I am selecting one of them. And after that, you have to click on save. And now your profile picture is changed. So this is how you change your profile picture in Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.